And mass vaccine rollouts are taking place around the world, but new research suggests vaccines have failed to stop COVID transmission. In fact, the data shows the prevalence of the virus increasing in fully vaccinated people. This as pollsters say most voters don't trust major pharmaceutical companies now. Trinity Chavez is outside of the Pfizer headquarters in New York with more details.
As biopharmaceutical companies like Pfizer are rolling out vaccines around the world, experts say that getting vaccinated is still the best protection against the virus. However, new data suggests that the positivity rate among fully vaccinated people who are 60 and over is actually rising, further fueling doubt that many have when it comes to the pharmaceutical industry.
Today, newly released data suggests mass vaccine rollouts have failed to stop COVID transmission. According to a medical study in The Lancet, the prevalence of the virus is increasing in fully vaccinated people. After examining new infections in Germany, researchers found that the rate of cases among fully vaccinated individuals ages 60 and older has risen from 16.9% in July to 58.9% in October. That's a 42% increase, suggesting that fully vaccinated people are a major source of COVID transmission. Throughout Britain, the number of household contacts exposed to unvaccinated cases, which was 23%, was slightly lower than the number exposed to vaccinated individuals, which was 25%. Furthermore, an outbreak in Israel that infected multiple healthcare workers and patients, as well as their family members, came from a fully vaccinated hospital patient. This at a time where most American voters don't trust major pharmaceutical companies and think that drug makers have too much influence over America's healthcare policy. A new national telephone and online survey by Rasmussen Reports finds that 53% of likely U.S. voters don't trust large pharmaceutical companies, including 19% who don't trust them at all. Only about 6% say they trust major drug makers a lot, while 36% of voters somewhat trust them.
Now, I reached out to Pfizer to get the response on both of these studies, as well as the CDC, to get their take on the transmission rates among fully vaccinated people. However, I have not heard back. For In Question, Trinity Chavez, RT New York.